Hello students, we are now in week 3 and we are in unit 1 yet. So this means we are still in chapter 4 out of your Essentials of Health Information Management textbook. So this week there is a discussion board which will be on the EHR Go. Just kind of your thoughts on it, so make sure you pay attention and answer the questions that I have listed. There also is assignment number 5 and number 6. PowerPoint number 3. And after you read PowerPoint number 3, make sure you really take some time, listen to my lecture. You will have another assignment from EHR Go. And there is an assignment on SOAP notes. And with the SOAP notes, just remember, it's subjective, objective, which again, that is the exam, assessment, what's wrong with the patient, and then the plan. The course unit learning objective has stayed the same week 1, week 2, and week 3, and so has the program learning outcome, and so has the common learning outcome. If you have any questions for this week, make sure you please ask.